The Torah Kohanim says that you are allowed to be madlik a menorah betumah. And the Rambam follows the Torah Kohanim. My Hanukkah, what's the nest of Hanukkah? The Yevonim were metame all the Shemonim, and they were not able to make Shemen until 8 days. And Hashem made a nest, and they found a Bach Shemen that lived for 8 days. And we celebrate those 8 days of Nisim with a brocha, she'osu Nisim Avosenu, vayom hohem bזמן הזה. זה הכלל, אין הקדוש ברוך הוא עושה ניסו למגנו. The Eibishter doesn't make a nest for nothing. So the Yehושע, the Sopher, asked the Kasha, Tuma hutro betzibur. You could use non-tohar shemen. So why wasn't it made? The first day they had enough shemen, and that would be enough. But why did they have to have an extra 7 days? The Bach answers the Shem to the aim that just like by Milo, Doiche Shabbos, but the Machshire Milo are not Doiche Shabbos. You cannot make the knife to make a bris for Shabbos, on Shabbos. The Machshire are not Doiche Shabbos. The same thing is with Tumah. Making the Shemen is the Machshire mitzvah. That is not Doiche Tumah. That is the Bach B'Shem Tere Ein. This teretz is very difficult to understand. The Chacham Tzvi asks, what's the issue of making Shemen Betumah? Therefore, we have to come to the teretz of Rav Shlomo Kligger, that the whole din of Tumah Hutro Betzibur is when you have a Beis HaMikdash. If the oil is Tomei, you still do Korbanos. But if there's no Beis HaMikdash, the Beis HaMikdash was destroyed, and you have to be Mechanech the Beis HaMikdash again, in such a case, you don't say Tumah Hutro Betzibur. That's Rav Shlomo Kligger's answer. But it's not so simple because we have a Toisves in Masechet Tענית Daf Yud Zayin Omed Beis. A Kohen that is drunk, that drank a Revi'is Yain, is not allowed to walk into the Beis HaMikdash. It's Chayav Misa, B'dei Shamayim. So the Gemara says, if that's the case, what's the heter of the Kohanim to drink wine bזמן הזה? If the Beis HaMikdash is being rebuilt right now, comes down, the Kohen is drunk, he won't be able to do the avodah. Unless you know from which mishmu you come, which is something which you don't have today, a Kohen has to be ready to do the avodah of Mikdash. And the Gemara says, you would have said the whole heter of drinking wine today is because the Beis HaMikdash is destroyed, and we're not choishes the Beis HaMikdash going to be rebuilt now. But the Chacham don't hold like that, and it's very short to understand what's stuck in the heter of the Kohanim to drink today wine. Toys has a kasha. How can you say that the Beis HaMikdash is going to be rebuilt now, and the Kohen has to be ready to do the avodah? The Kohanim are Tomei Meis, and the Tomei Meis need Hazor Shlishu Shvi. So Toys answers, but since Tumah Hutro Betzibur, they could do the avodah. You see from this Toys, Lechoira, not like Rav Shlomo Kligger wants to say that the whole din of Tumah Hutro Betzibur is when you have a Beis HaMikdash. But when you don't have a Beis HaMikdash, you don't say Tumah Hutro Betzibur. Because today, we do not have a Beis HaMikdash, and Afat Piken, Toys says, Tumah Hutro Betzibur. So the question is, why did we have to come to the nose of Hanukkah? We could have used the heter of Tumah Hutro Betzibur. The truth is, the Beis HaMikdash Shlishi is not going to be rebuilt by us. It's already built. Rashi in Sukkah Memalev says, the Beis HaMikdash is bonui umeshuchlal, yigoleh ve'yovo min hashomayim, shenemar mikdash Hashem koninu yedecho. So there's a difference between the Bayis Sheni and the Bayis Shlishi. The Bayis Sheni was destroyed and we had to rebuild it. And then you don't say Tumah Hutro Betzibur by the Chinuch. The Beis HaMikdash Shlishi is mechunach, and it's coming down from Shamayim, and you do say Tumah Hutro Betzibur. Memelo, the Kohanim will not allow to drink wine because they are kosher for the avodah filu without Hazor Shlishi Ushvi. The Shas will make a pin in a pen. There's a klal from Maharam Choviv. We know that Kohanim are shluchei de Rachmon. When we give the Kohanim Bikurim, we are given to the Rebbeinu Shloim. They're only the shliach of the Rebbeinu Shloim. And without the Eibishter gives us Eretz Yisrael. I take the matono, Peres from Eretz Yisrael, and I give it to you. That's a klal by Chazokah. Could be by pidyon ben too. Once the father gives the most to the Kohen, the Rebbeinu Shalom takes it, and the Rebbeinu calls B'ni B'chol Yisrael, and he remembers the Makas B'choros, B'ni B'chol Yisrael, and he brings the Geula Kroiva. So what is the heter? By a pidyon ben to the Kohen to drink wine. During the Mistafino, the meaning of Kohen drinking wine is only by night. And by night, there is no avoider. Hekter Chalum Be'vorim is not shaykh now. So those Kohanim who drink wine by the pidyon ben, if it's by night, you could drink revi'is. If it's by day, you should drink the bochad me revi'is, the choyl.